Alright, we're going to do a battery change out on this Fitbit. So first thing I'm going to do is take the 4 screws out. Okay, so I got the there's actually torque screws, and got it opened up here. Yep, open it up, so we'll flip those off and see if we can get to the battery next. There's some contacts there. Yeah, alright. Be right back. So this looks like where the battery is connected right there. So I'm going to desolder those. So that was not the battery. There's the battery. Those were actually looks like a little microphone leads. Anyways, they had to come off anyways, so I could pull this out the rest of the way. So alright, so I got the battery disconnected. Positive is on the top, negative is on the bottom. Now I'm putting the new one on. Alright. Okay, you got the new battery on. Downhill slope, hopefully.